Hi, I'm Paul Balfour with Rush Creek Creations. The gun rack I want to tell you about today is the Deer Camp 10-gun folding rack. Rush Creek Creations drives the innovation within all categories, but this one in particular has a lot to talk about. The MDF is a natural wood grain laminate. It's also scratch resistant and water resistant. We put foam on each base deck to rest your gun butts on. Also, we have a special compound that we created to fill in the top piece so you can rest your gun barrels. We have a heavy-duty rubber handle, and again, if you're out in the field or at a deer camp, what you do is just take the unit, it folds right up, put in the locking pins, and then put it in the back of your car. This is a great way and a safe way to store your long guns.